the main question that I want to ask. What would be your main tip actually when you want to make this business decision faster?
I would probably start with a simple tip. What is the objective? Where you want to go? You see one road or several ways where you want to go. You will always say, when you're in the street, you know where you want to go. Even sometimes you can't explain. Sometimes I go one way, I don't know, to George Street and then come back because I thought probably I need to do something else. But at least I'm doing that. And through doing that, I'm already in the motion, in dynamics. We're designed to move. That's knowing the objective. Even if it's wrong, you can readjust. You can be agile, flexible, resilient.
Exactly, Eugene. How do you know that you're doing the right decision if you don't have what is right? If you haven't decided for yourself what is right, and objective will help you with that. Excellent. My next recommendation, and we have actually a whole set and checklist and best practices and tools in Fastlane, but my next recommendation would be prioritize. Not every decision that you are making gonna have the same impact or the same importance among other decisions. So you need to prioritize, knowing your objectives, right? And one more.
Go for it.
One more is ideal isn't human, right? Don't try to make the perfect decision, right? Use all what we discussed, and of course your experience, your team, your knowledge, but differentiate where you need to spend 5 minutes on a decision, or where you need possibly spend more, right? But don't try to be perfect.